My name is Vanna Menco. I am the CEO of Prosilas. We are a service bureau in additive manufacturing since 2003. My father was an aeronautical engineer, a little bit fascinated by all the sci-fi movies and so on. In some way, these technologies and this company started from this kind of mindset. I also joined the company at the start because I want just to understand better what my father was doing. I never stopped loving these technologies, this sector. 2020 was the first time we met BASF Forward AM. From the beginning, the relationship with the Forward AM was very good. One of our most successful applications with TPU 888 was this midsole we developed for the brand Philippe Lane. We started designing the lattice structure in the midsole, engineering the hardness in different parts to reach the customer request. This was not just a prototype, it was a real production. We were able to deliver 2,000 parts to the customer. Using the lattice structure, we are able to deliver several different zones following mechanical strength or comfort. This is another interesting application we developed with the TPU 88A. It was finger protection for volleyball players. This material could be used because it's tested for the skin contact. It's another potential application for medical staff, all other sports, equipment, and so on. In 2021, we got in touch with the protocol group, started to develop another kind of mindset, more customer-oriented. I think that this ability to have in the same part different hardness, it could be very important in the future to unlock several new applications. It will be another kind of a mindset that needs to be supported by us and educate customers and companies to think out of a mindset they already have.